Okay, so half a cup of corn oil just went in here for our delicious rice recipe with red kidney beans. Okay, so now we just finished adding in half a cup of tomatoes, which basically equated to just one whole ball of tomatoes. Of a tomato. So now we're adding in 1 tablespoon of pesto sauce. And it's from this specific brand, so this one wasn't homemade. It was purchased from the store. Dark red kidney beef just went in. One teaspoon of Badia's garlic parsley seasoning is going in right now. 1 teaspoon of Badia's cayenne pepper is now going in. Stir everything together. Five pieces of cloves are now going in here to really make the food taste delicious. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder is going in, and then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and that's it. Now we just stir everything all around. The water is now going in, and this will vary based on how much rice you plan on making and how many people you plan on serving as well. Five cups of water just went in. We're going to let it boil for about maybe 5 minutes or so before adding in 4 cups of rice. Okay, so now taking this lid and covering it up like so. Now we're going to put aluminum foil over here just to ensure that the fumes don't come out. Okay, so some thyme just went in here. 1 tablespoon of Badia's sazon powder just went in. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of white iodized salt just went in. So we're just gonna let this boil a little bit more and put the lid over. Voila, just like that. it. So 1 pepper,